What are the disadvantages of Ayurveda treatments? Don't mistake me for giving this topic. At the end of the topic, you take a conclusion, you take a decision. I am for which system of medicine, whether allopathy or Ayurveda or Ayush or whatever it is. I am a doctor, but I am for the general public. I am for the clients. I'm very clear. Okay, so it may be a little controversial subject, but listen to this speech till the end and you come to your own unbiased understanding and conclusion whether my disclosure has anything against to the current happenings. Okay, generally you all know Ayurveda. It's been practiced for more than thousands of years, almost 5,000 years, right? So Ayurveda has been discovered, invented. It's like a very, very traditional treatment. And what happened is, over the evolution, Ayurveda has gone into two split branches. One is called the classical Ayurveda. What was taught in the books is being followed by still many of the Ayurveda doctors. That's called classical Ayurveda. There is one other type of Ayurvedic treatment that is called modern Ayurveda or proprietary Ayurveda. That is something very different.